Alright, so given that fx is 2x squared plus 3 and gx equals 3x plus 2, find f of gx. Remember, this is substitution, but with algebra, it's composite functions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write function f with a space, okay? And the space is what we're going to substitute into. So f of x, which is our function, is going to be 2 times by something squared plus 3, okay? Remember, g is going to go into f, so whatever g is equal to, that's what's going to go into that space, right? And the function g is equal to 3x plus 2, so 3x plus 2 is what we're going to substitute into that box when I can spell it correctly there. We'll substitute gx into the function f, so we're going into that empty box. We're going to substitute in the definition for gx, which is 3x plus 2 squared plus 3. Then we're left with the simplifying stage of the question. So we're going to have to expand and simplify what's in the box, because remember it's a square on the outside. So to do that, I'm going to be using the grid to multiply, and I'll do that to the left. Right. So I prefer the grid when I multiply. Again, it makes it a little easier. 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Okay. So when we multiply, we always multiply in the grid. We get 9x squared and 6x. Then we got 6x and then plus 4. I then write out all the terms. 9x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 4, and then I collect like terms. Okay, 9x squared plus 12x. Plus 4. If you're stuck with the collecting like terms part, you can always look back at a previous example on collecting like terms. I'm then going to substitute all of that into that space. So 2 times by, in brackets, 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 plus 3 on the outside. I'm going to multiply what's inside the bracket with the 2 on the outside, so I get 18x squared plus 24x plus 8 plus 3. And then again, just collecting like terms to get the final answer. 18x squared plus 24x plus 11. Okay.